So in this video, I'm going to show you how to access the BIOS, the device manager on Windows 7 and Windows 8.1. First, you have to click on the arrow right here on the right corner. Click on that, and you can click on Restore. When restoring, hit F2. You're gonna see the Phonics BIOS setup, utility, and you use the arrow keys to navigate through the tab. There's a main tab right here, advanced security, boot and exit. So use the right arrow to go to boot, and use the minus sign to move it down. So the hard drive can list first, and then use the right arrow to go to exit. Hit enter. Hit yes, and you will back to the starting window screen. So for the device manager on Windows 7, you have to log in as the sysadmin. Click on that, enter the password. The password is changing. T capital R A I N 1 NG $bill. Enter, and then click on star, control panel, view by small icon, and then find the device manager right here. Double click on that, click on view, so hidden device, go to processor, click on the arrow, and you can see the processor of your computer. In this case, the VM using the Intel Xeon CPU E5 2.1 GHz. Click on the arrow at the mice and other pointing device. You see the VMware pointing device. Right click, choose properties. You can see this device working properly. Click on driver tab, and click in here, rollback driver. Yeah, sure you would like to roll back to the previously installed driver software. So just click no, because this is the latest version of this. And there's a resources tab, show you the conflicting device list. So right now is no conflicting device. So this helps you to check the error of the mice. If there's something wrong with the mice, you can check here to see the device that is a conflict with the mice. So the mice not working. This one help you to get the error and know how to fix it. Click OK. So here's how to go and access the device manager to run command on Windows 8.1. So just click on the VM 8.1, access it. So it should show you this screen right here. So there's a sysadmin and user 2. You want to log in at the sysadmin using the same password that you use for Windows 7. It's T capital R A I N 1 NG dollar bill, enter. And then on the screen you see the star right here. Click on that. You right click, and you can see right here is the run. Click on that. Type in DEMGMT.MSC. Click OK. DEVMGMT.MSC. OK. Should show you a device manager. Go to the arrow at the display adapters, and you can see the VMware SVGA 3D. Click on that. Use the right click to properties and go to events tab, and you can see the day and the times of all the driver install and added. Click on view all events. Go to details. Here's all the information of the driver name, version, the provider, everything about it. That's it.